What's going on, Octo Nation? The RBAC bringing the Red Sox to the stock market. Are you kidding me? The infamous Red Sox? I can't even believe this. I think this is groundbreaking. I think this is going to pave some big old gold yellow brick roads for the rest of the SPAC sport market. Boston Red Sox, Liverpool going public via Billy Beane SPAC. Wall Street Journal said. Unbelievable. A sports SPAC is set to take Fenway Sports Group public in a deal valuing the company at $8 billion, according to the Wall Street Journal. About Fenway Sports Group. Fenway Sports Group is the owner of Major League Baseball's Boston Red Sox and Liverpool football of the English Premier League. It's probably a good mix to have. Fenway Sports Group bought the Red Sox in 2002 and has seen the team win 4 World Series titles since 2004. I'm going to repeat that. Fenway Sports Group has bought the Red Sox in 2002 and has seen the team win 4 World Series titles since 2004. I'd say it again, but I know y'all get bored of it. Go Red Sox. Liverpool won the last season of the English Premier League and were the 2019 UEFA Champion League winners. Don't know what that means, but it sounds great. Fenway Sports Group owns 80% of the New England Sports Network, a regional sports channel that airs Red Sox games. All right. Forbes ranks the Red Sox as the 3rd most valuable baseball team, that's subjective, with a valuation of $3.3 billion, including $637 million value for Fenway Park alone. Y'all ever been to Fenway? Liverpool is ranked as the 8th most valuable soccer club by Forbes with a valuation of $2.2 billion. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Red Sox owner reported in talks to go public via Redball SPAC, RBAC, ticker USA, hit 27.5% up on after hours. As far as I could tell, this launched Friday, like 10 minutes. I think so, yeah, like 10 minutes before the extended hour ended. Okay. So we're talking like 8 p.m. Eastern. So like 7:50 Eastern, this came out. And the commons were already up 27.5%. Boston Red Sox owner John Henry is in discussion to take this sports holding public via a $8 billion blank check. The deal would merge the MLB's team founder Fenway Group LLC, also owner of English sports football, with Red Bull acquisition, the special purpose acquisition company. Red Bull completed a $575 million initial offering in August, okay, with an eye towards sports and sports media and analytics business. It's interesting. So they've got to play there. The SPAC plans to raise an additional $1 billion to buy a stake of less than 25% in Fenway Sports Group. That's actually huge. That's a big step up. Most SPAC, I'd say the average, let's call it 13%, is what the stake they end up with. Some are more, some are a little bit less. In Fenway Sports Group, and valued at $8 billion, including debt. I wonder how much of that there is, according to the report. Man, it'd be sketchy looking at the books this year, right, for all sports. But I really think this is just paving the yellow brick road for SPACs. People keep saying there's too many SPACs. I don't think there's even close to enough SPACs. And this proves it. This is just the first sports team, isn't it? As far as I can remember. Maybe I'm just totally missing one right now. But this is huge. And what a first team to bring. The Red Sox, man. Let's take a look at the chart, shall we? How's it look? I don't know. Where's the after? Keep trying to find it. It's not even showing up on TradingView. Let's see if Google will tell us. Yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, they're actually saying it went up 40.22%. Oh my goodness. It was 4 p.m. It was still at $10.07. So this is one I think I've talked about, like just mentioned. I haven't done a video totally on it. It's like new. I mean, when did the units split? The units split October 5th, like 5 days ago. And they're already announcing it, basically. Now, keep in mind, this is, I don't know, is this totally official? It sounds like to me this is not. You know, where does it say it's 100% official? It didn't say people familiar with the matter, though, either. You know, and this was just I think it was a Reuters article, right? Was it? Benzinga, staff writer, going public, so they're saying it sounds definitive, but I don't 100% believe stuff until I see a SEC filing, a SEC filing. But most of these end up working out. But regardless, this is not a place I would chase warrants on. Let's see if those will pull up. I hope they do. Not really. They're not showing us after market for some reason, which is not good. Usually they do. Not sure what's going on here, but the warrants were sitting about $1.50. Was anyone already in RBAC? They were talking about buying a sports team, but I mean Red Ball is what's called, Red Ball acquisition. This dude knew exactly who he's going after. Are you going to jump in? I don't know. I don't think I'm a buyer at where it's at. At $14.12. Oh man, this might pop at 15 to 16, but people are going to be taking profit. Guarantee you that. 7:40 p.m. is only $10.88. But the article didn't release until either that time or 10 minutes after. So what was this pre-run up? There's no such thing as insider buying, right? Yeah, right. Look at that. 10:07 to 10:88. So what are you guys going to do? You're going to buy into this? 40%, it's going to probably pop another 10 to 20, I'd say, come Monday. I might wait for the dip and see what happens. But, man, with the team recognition like that, I might even jump in around 12, which is pretty high for me to get into commons. But we'll just have to take a look and see what happens. I don't know. I can't get emotional about it. Just probably stay a little bit away. I think it's a sweet deal, though. They were talking about the other acquisition for the soccer thing. I don't know nothing about that. Obviously, we haven't seen an investor presentation. I'm sure they're going to have tons of debt. I'm sure the numbers look terrible lately. So there's that, too. I don't know. Might just stay away personally. You Red Sox fan, anyone not like them, put it down in the comments. Let me know if you're into this. If you haven't subscribed, please do it. It definitely helps out the channel. If you wouldn't mind joining our Patreon, it's something that's definitely helping folks out. I'm getting some good feedback. People are saying it's, just giving them the hardcore information they need. If you're at work or whatnot, I've got you. I'm doing the best to try to get y'all news and entries and cool stuff I'm seeing. At least get you, a play here or there. And I'm sure you can make a little bit of money on for sure. Please share this video with your friends if you wouldn't mind. Y'all have a good rest of the night.